Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy S23. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S23 and now you want to make a hard reset of your device, let's see how can I do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any other Samsung device via cable, and after that you just have to make a simple step. For this you have to press and hold power button and the volume down button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then switch or shift your volume down to volume up until you get the Samsung logo. So let's do this. Volume down and power button, just press them at the same time and hold until your screen goes black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it, and then when your screen goes black, just shift your volume down to volume up to get your screen logo just like this. Now you just have to wait for it. It will enter your phone BIOS just like this, and here you just have to make a simple setup. So for this you have to use this button because your touch won't work here. You just have to press volume down to go down and volume up to go up, and for selection just press the power button. So let's do this. You just have to look for wipe data and battery reset. Just look for this option and then press your power button, then move down with battery data reset, just tap on it, and then you just have to press your button and you will get this tab menu. You just have to select reboot system on, which I've selected this the first. You just have to press your power button as this option just like this, and then your screen goes black. It will be power off and now it will power on again, and it will make a hard reset to your device. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the backup data because it will remove everything from your phone, and after doing the hard reset you can easily use a fresh new startup on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.